unboxing, and
it just came this morning.
Yeah, it literally like came.
The postman just dropped off.
Yeah, it's got a rip because we tore off our dress.
So if you hear that noise, because Dad's lawn mowing out the front.
It's it's cutting all scrimmage now.
Why was that Ben?
How much does Glossybox cost, Mum?
£13.25
per month.
Yeah.
To get this magical makeup box in the post. Thanks.
Oh my lord in heaven.
Oh my god. There we go. We finally did it.
Right.
Oh,
Okay, so it is a pink box. This is my
original
15th. Am I my 15th box?
No.
I think it is, yeah. I got 14 or 13 upstairs. No, I got 14. Yeah, I think this might be my 15th box.
Oh,
Let's open it. It smells nice. I like the smell of the boxes.
Oh, smell that.
Yeah, this is what it looks like when you open it up. And here's the lid. And if you just heard the front door, that was Dad coming in, I guess. Let's undo this lovely piece of ribbon.
Hello, Rolly.
We've got a nice piece of black ribbon.
Black ribbon.
And this
A black
lovely
sticker.
black sticker.
Black and white sticker.
So that, it's
It
never
says
been
this
black
month
before,
is
it's
the
normally white.
new. It says it's the start of the new beauty school year, and our expertly curated edit of 6 products will help you prep and get organised this
That's
September.
interesting.
Whether you're heading back to work, university, or tackling the dreaded school run, these handbag essentials are perfect for a quick fix before you hurry out the door. Beauty School kicks off with Brow and Lip Masterclass. Get back on track and define your features with 2 products in this edit. You'll even learn how to detox your skin and also your scalp for stronger, healthier hair growth with 2 of our September picks. Don't
That's
be a
quite a
beauty
lot of
school
stuff in
dropout.
here.
Check out the blog for inspo on how to use the products in this educational edit.
Okay, so there's 6 different things in here.
Oh, these look good.
And we're going to start with this Bang Beauty. I don't know what on earth this
Do you know why I took it from Bang Beauty? One of my boxes and mine lost it.
Well, I put it on your bed actually. So it's probably you moving it.
Oh, it's kind of
That's
bad
what
now.
it looks like. Oh, Dad's teaching.
Bang Beauty eyebrow cream.
Oh, eyebrows. Eyebrows.
This eyebrow cream has a velvety consistency that applies effortlessly to give you HD brows at home.
HD brows.
It comes with an angled brush for applying thick, defined brows that stay in place day and night.
Dark brown? What the hell is a dark
Oh, your
brown?
eyebrows are dark brown, really. Yeah, that's not dark brown, is it? I don't think that's dark.
Why didn't you change my thing on
Yeah.
that to blonde? Then why are they giving me dark brown? They would have given me blonde if it was blonde.
Yeah, but blonde people don't have blonde eyebrows, do they? I've never seen any blonde eyebrow things.
I have, but they look like green.
I bet it's not that bright, not that brown.
This says dark brown.
Go on, try it on your hand. I bet it's not that brown. Right, it says you can get this from bangbeautyofficial.com. Follow them on Facebook and Twitter. Yeah. Oh, Facebook and Instagram at bangbeautyofficial and Twitter mybangbeauty.
My eyebrows
See,
are
that's
already
not that
quite
dark.
dark, and everyone keeps saying, "Why are your eyebrows so dark?" And I'm like, "Because they
that's
are."
the same colour as your eyebrow.
Yeah, but it needs to be the same colour as my hair. Because people keep saying, "Why are your eyebrows so dark? Why are your eyebrows darker than your hair?" And I'm just like, "Because they are. Deal with it."
But Hattie's eyebrows are a lot darker than her hair as well.
I know, it's annoying. People with blonde
It's
hair.
like we have Mum's eyebrows and Dad's hair.
People with blonde hair either have no eyebrows
like eyebrows,
Invisible
but you
eyebrows.
can't
or
see them.
too much eyebrow.
Too much eyebrow.
The eyebrows are way too dark for them. There's like no in
Well, it
between.
looks good. Show 'em. Let me hold it up. We're a bit far away from the camera today, but it comes in this little pot. And then this is the back. Oh, it's got Bang Beauty on the side. If you can see that, I don't know. And then inside is this. And it comes with a little brush. You know. Put the lid on.
Okay,
The thing is so far away. We're downstairs today because I'm tidying
the
the
next
bedroom.
thing we have is wet ones.
Some wet ones. Oh, Be Fresh antibacterial wipes.
My hands are very shaky.
They kill 99.9% of bacteria and are gentle, balanced, meaning they are suitable to be used on your hands, body, and on the kids too. That's you. So yes, wet ones. Wet ones.
There's not that much to say about them. They're just wipes.
They're just wet ones.
Yeah, they're just wet. Ew.
Scalp detox.
Hang on, wait. Wait. They are from Boots. You can buy them from boots.com. There you go. Next.
Here we go. This is Grow Gorgeous Scalp Treatment.
Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox. Be a regular part of your regime. Pomegranate enzymes and natural castor oil beads remove impurities that block your roots to create the perfect environment for healthy hair growth. We also love that it's vegan friendly and cruelty free. Use 1 to 2 times a week as a pre-wash treatment. This is the mini. Yeah, this isn't full size. I don't think it doesn't say. Oh, it is. Oh no, not yet. This is deluxe mini size.
It isn't filled up all the way though. It's filled up halfway.
Halfway, yeah, little sneaky buns. You smelt it? Oh. Well, you can't smell it even though it's got a thing on it.
That's probably what the smell is in the box.
Yeah, it's
That's
not
a nice
good.
packaging, isn't it? What's that supposed to be? Oh, it's like a tree with hair on it, like a hair tree. It's only filled up to there. Strawberry, tell you.
Right, I have no clue what this is, but it says Pure and Fabulous on the front.
Right, where are we? Pure and Fabulous, Wild Garden, Pure and Fabulous, Eau de Parfum.
Oh, perfume, I'm guessing.
It says pear, water lily and warm amber. A brand new perfume will transport you to a beautiful wild garden. Applied to your pulse points, behind your ears and on your wrist for a floral spritz. And you can get that from iwantoneofthose.com.
I like the box and the bottle, but the bottle feels weird.
You haven't brought your new watch, have you?
Hi, Dad.
He's got one too.
Yeah, they
Look
both
at that, how much money did you spend?
Open your mouth. Breath spray. You got spray so we can smell. Excuse mine, she's in her pyjamas.
Yeah.
She so wanted to do the video straight away. She's never got dressed up.
That's alright.
Oh, nice.
It's like, that's what it looks like.
Yeah, good.
If you can see it.
What's
If
nice?
the next thing we have is this detoxifying, bubbling, cleansing mask with activated
yeah,
charcoal.
I did a video on them on the channel. A review video on a bubble mask. Yeah.
Is there a point putting your hand on that one?
Who's it made by?
Let's work out.
Beauty Pro, let's have a look. Oh, you can get the perfumes, right? Yeah, I did say no, I want one of those.com. Right, so this is on the other side. Detoxifying bubble mask with charcoal. You can get this from beautypro.com. It says it's a miracle worker for blemish prone skin. It's got lime, lemon, apple, orange and grapefruit. It says sit back and relax while the mask bubbles to create a micro massage which works deep into your pores and cleans away blackheads. This is cruelty free.
Did your phone just make a noise? Or is
Cruelty
it
free.
mine?
I think it was Dad's.
No, I think it was Dad's over there.
Right.
Hattie's also got, we've got another bubble mask, haven't we? So you could do a video together of you both with them. And then it'd be like my bubble mask.
Right. The last thing in this box is,
Here's a Karl Lagerfeld.
yeah, a car. I don't even know how you see that.
Lagerfeld at Model Co.
Crayon aloe vera, which is a lip liner. in
Lip liner
rosewood.
rosewood, yep. You can get it from modelcocosmetics.com. It says enhance your palette with this soft wax lip
Not very
pencil,
interesting.
creamy formula and subtle colour. Apply directly to the contour of your lips to create the illusion of a fuller pout. Fish lips. Yeah.
Ah.
I like the box.
Oh. Well, it looks very snazzy from the outside.
Do I do it?
I don't even know if they can see that over.
Did you?
Oh, that came on my hand. Right.
Let me hold the box. So far away from the camera today. Oh, that's nice.
Oh,
It's like a berry colour.
Show them that and that's your eyebrow. So this lip liner and the eyebrow are on both on that thing.
Lip liner's down here somewhere, and the eyebrow was up here somewhere.
There we are. Is that little thing come in a box? Yeah. Stop. Alright, nice. There's some good items in there as well, isn't there?
Yeah.
I like that.
It's for back to school, but it came a bit late for back to school.
Yeah, they went back to school on Thursday. Elliot's off to college on Monday.
And that's everything.
Right, so, has anyone got a calculator?
No, I didn't.
Who's got the calculator? You've got your phone there, love.
No, because I'm good at keeping up.
Yeah, you can do me. You can do it.
Right, your head's there we go.
Right, so we've got
You can't
one,
do it. You can't.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Calculator.
So 5 items of full size. One's deluxe mini. This is my t-shirt. Keeps flying. Right, so the Karl Lagerfeld. Karl Lagerfeld.
Karl Lagerfeld.
Yeah, this one here. This is £25. £25 for a lip liner.
Is that full size?
Yeah. £25 for a lip liner. Whew. They seen you coming, mate. Right. This bubbly mask thing. Bubbly mask is £4.95.
Oh. Still, I think.
These wet ones. These are £1.19. The Bang Beauty, what was it? Eyebrow whatnots. £16.80p. This is the deluxe mini, so this isn't a full size one. This is the Scalp Detox. So this is £7.37 for that one. If you want a full size 190ml, it's £28, which we obviously yeah. And this Pure and Fabulous Wild Garden perfume is £12. So everything. Fudgy bum bums.
Alright.
I think the box is actually like £10 in it, and they charge you £3.25 in postage.
Right. Okay, the answer.
The answer.
Drum roll, please. This box costs £13.25
With postage.
and it equals £67.31.
Ooh, that's good. There's some good stuff in there as well.
Yep.
That's quite good, isn't it? I like that one.
I don't understand why more people don't get this glossy box.
It's really good, Glossybox. So it says here, where are we? I'll try. I always forget, but I'll try and put a link for the box down below. But I always forget to do it. And let me know if I don't actually know who watches these videos or not. We do get views, but I don't know because no one ever comments. So please leave us a comment if you've watched the video.
All nice things.
Yeah, and let me know if you want us to put a list of the products and like a link to where you can get it from. Because obviously I don't really do that now. Because I don't know if anyone actually really wants to know.
Yes.
But if you want to know, let me know. Leave me a comment, and I'll go through and put a link for each of the products in the comments below.
And Glossybox. Link to Glossybox.
And a link for the Glossybox because it's definitely worth it. Hasn't been a month where we've had rubbish. It's always been really
Yeah. There's been like not amazing products. Like there's been a good box and then there could have been like a okay box, but then it's never been bad.
good. No, and they're always worth more than what you pay.
Mhm.
So yeah, so right, it says October sneak peek, which is the trick or treat, which is obviously Halloween next month. We are treating you to the intense intense antimatter lipstick. I can't read what that says. La Masqua, 20 quid.
La
Worth 20
Masqua.
quid. To vamp up your look for Halloween. So they obviously got, it looks like this bright pink and bright purple on the
Oh,
so
the
I've got
purple
two
one!
colours.
I'm gonna get the pink one now.
So yeah, that's next month's.
Woohoo! I might go try this pink mask.
So also share your unboxing, so we'll do that. Yeah, so that's it for this month. That's really good. I like that one. We hope you enjoyed our video. My box should be coming
Soon.
They're taking like forever.
And Hattie's box should be coming soon.
Yeah, Hattie's. Mine's, I can't remember what it's called, paper gown or something, like a stationary one for a change. Just see what was.
Yeah.
So that'll be next, hopefully, if they ever send it, and I just do one that in. So yeah, please leave us a comment, even if it's just a little something, just to say that you've watched the video, just so we know that people actually watch. Although we obviously know because it says that people have watched it, but no one ever comments on our videos. Ooh, that would be good, wouldn't it? You can't comment on the video because I'm still filming it. So it's me, I'm leaning into her.
Yeah,
So So yeah, that's it from us. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, comment down below,
Honestly.
and share with your friends.
Yeah, games.
And press the bell notification.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Subscribe.
And we'll see you again soon.
Bye.